we'll guide you through how to create Zapier integrations that streamline your workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Zapier.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. You'll want to start by clicking on the Create Zap button, which you'll find at the top right of the dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Now, you'll be prompted to choose a trigger app. This is the app where your automation starts. You can type the name of the app in the search bar to find it quickly. Once selected, you'll need to choose a specific trigger event. For example, if you're using Gmail, you might choose New Email. After selecting the trigger, click Continue. Zapier will then ask you to connect your account for the chosen app. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize this connection. Once connected, you'll need to test the trigger to ensure Zapier can pull in the correct data. Click Test Trigger to verify. If everything looks good, click Continue. Next, you'll set up the Action app, which is the app that performs the task you want. Choose your Action app from the list, and then select the action event. For instance, if you're connecting it with Slack, you might select Send Channel Message. After selecting, click Continue, and then connect your account if you haven't already. You'll need to fill in the required fields for this action, like channel name or message content. Make sure everything is correct and then click Continue. Finally, test the action to make sure everything works as expected. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your integration. Congratulations, you've just created a Zapier integration. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.